Welcome to Human Kids. My name is Adya. I'm studying in LKG. My school name is Gayatri Vidyalayam. I'm telling about Ashtadasha Puranalu, Matsya Puranam, Markandeya Puranam, Bhagavata Puranam, Bhavishya Puranam, Brahma Puranam, Brahmana Puranam, Brahmavaivarta Puranam, Vayu Puranam, Vamana Puranam, Varaha Puranam, Narada Puranam, Garuda Puranam,